Hi there, hi everyone. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's additional of the Tuesday's newspaper on July the 19th, 2022. And in this additional we have 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. The first one I have already solved, the 3 stars Sudoku. And 3 puzzles are left. The 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But it's now time for the Sudoku with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see on this hottest day of the year. 39 degrees, almost 40 degrees here. This will be number 4875. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need my time limit 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle first. 3 ones we have here. 2 twos. 3 threes. 3 fours. 2 fives. 2 sixes. 2 sevens. 3 eights. And 3 nines. So all the numbers are divided. Okay. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this column. Third column. So no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. In this big square. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 9, 4. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9. Oh, we have more 9s, I believe. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4 9s. So, the 9 in the last row, the 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see a 9 in the third column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9, 9. Here could be the 9, okay. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this row. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in the first row. Here or there. We see here 1 in the first column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, 4, 6. Okay. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 and the 2 are missing. 6 and the 2. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Still scanning. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. We have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 3 boxes in this column. So here cannot be a 4. Here, the 4 in the second column. So no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2. Wait. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So these 3 boxes can be a 6. Here we have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2. 1. 1. Yeah. 194. Okay. Yeah. 8 in the last column. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. These missing 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 1 digit left, I believe. The 3, yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row, first row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2. And the 1, we have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in this column. The 1 and the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. So these 2 missing numbers in this column should be the 1 and the 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 and the 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be 6. Alright. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the last column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Oh! Overlook the 6. It's not correct. This 6 is not good. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. When did I put the 6 here? When did I put the 6 there? Ay, 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 ay. Interesting. Overlooked something, but I have put the 6 there. But the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah, I didn't know why I put the 6 there. So now we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 4. Yes. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. These 3 boxes are reserved for the 257, 257, and look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 7 here. 1 box left in this row for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. These 3 should be the 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 3, 7, 8 are missing. 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. So now we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, here an 8 in this column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8, 2 and a 5, 1 and a 4. Yeah. 1, 1. 4, 4. Come on. 9, and the 5. 9 and 5, yeah. 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Two missing numbers in the third row. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. No, not used. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 2 should be there. The 2 in the last column, the 2 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. No, we have a 3 there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow, cannot believe this. 4 stars? Well, no. It's not a 4 stars. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And although it has 24 printed digits, I'm faster, you see, faster than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku is a hard one, yes. Previous Sudoku has 25, a lot of pairs. But I've solved this in 60 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And, well, I see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.